Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful lobster. Now, I know we're diving into a lot of seafood since the beginning of the year, but we wanted to do a lot of seafood, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. Now, of course, lobster and Valentine's Day kind of go hand in hand, so that's why we're making this today. As you can see, we have 3 lobsters here, and we also have some lemons on the side and some linguine at the bottom just to complete this dish. Now, this is really super easy and so delicious, so let's get on into the video. So first off, we're going to start off with preparing our lobster. Now, you're going to take a pair of culinary scissors, so scissors you use for cooking, and you're just going to snip down the center of the shell, and then you're going to carefully pull it apart. Now, what this is going to do is that you're going to pull all of the meat out so that you can push it upwards, just so that it looks very neat, especially when it's being prepared to serve. Now, you see, you're going to pull it straight out, but not all the way out to where you're ripping the meat. You're just going to pull it and then lay it flat out on top of the shell. And then it looks very nice and presentable for when you're having it on the dish. Now, you can also take it out completely from the shell and chop it up, and you can really do all kinds of things with the lobster. It really depends on what you prefer. Now, we finished 3 lobsters here, so now we're just going to season them. So we're seasoning it with some lemon juice, because lemon juice and seafood tend to go very well together. It adds a nice acidic kick to the seafood. And then you're also going to get this ready inside of a pan to go into the oven. Now we're going to move on to adding some olive oil. Now, olive oil is something that's going to give this a lot of flavor. Now, lobster is a very rich type of seafood, and what I mean by rich is that it has a very rich flavor. So you don't want to over season it, but you also want to season it enough so that it has a nice flavor. So we're adding some parsley on top, and we're also adding some paprika. Now, you can add anything that you'd like by all means. We're also adding some butter as well, because we want ours to be nice and greasy and just amazing. So that's why we're adding some butter. You're then going to broil this on medium for about 5 to 7 minutes. Really keep an eye on this because they can overcook very easily. So now we're going to make a little paste to put onto our lobster when it comes out of the oven. So we're taking some butter, some garlic. You're also taking some parsley. We're also taking some more lemon juice. And then you're going to take this and mix it all together. Now, this doesn't have to be a perfect mixture to where it's like a full-on paste, but it just needs to be a good mix-up so that you can place it on top. Now, as you can see, we're pulling out our lobster from the oven, and it has a nice kind of grill on top. So in order to make sure that it's not very dry, we're taking this butter mixture and just placing it on top. Of course, it doesn't have to be perfect, but we're just adding it on top, and then we're taking whatever juice was left from inside the pan and just adding that straight on top of our lobster. And that's how simple and easy this is. We also boiled some linguine to put at the bottom. So this is the final dish. As you can see, it's a really simple dish, something that can be very quick and easy to put together for like dinner or Valentine's Day. So it's just a really simple dish. And one thing about this is that it looks very high class, or like something that you would get at a very expensive restaurant, but in fact it was very super easy to make, and you can make it at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down below with this video and other videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos every week. We hope you guys have a fantastic week, and thanks for watching.